Izakhamizi eziqhamuke endaweni ezihlukene zaseSoweto zibhikishe ngaphandle kwamahhovisi e-Eskom namuhla ekuseni ngenxa yey'nselelo eziqhubekayo zikagesi okubalwa kuzo amabhokisi amamitha angasebenzi ngendlela kanye-ke nokuhudula inyawo uma kufanele kulungiswe iy'nkinga. Laba babhikishi bathi-ke lokhu kudembesela uma befuna usizo kubahlalise manzonzo nokwenza-ke nesimo senhlalo sibe sibi kakhulu usuku nosuku. Bathi-ke njengamanje sebefuna kuthathwe iy'nyathelo ngokukhulu ukushesha ukuze kuxazululeke iy'khalazo zabo.
Abahlali baseSoweto babambe uqhankqalazo ngaphandle kwe-ofisi enkulu ye-Eskom nalapho beye baqedisa ngoxwebhu lwabo lwezinyanzeliso eliqulethe izinto abangonelisekanga zizo.
We have complaints nge-Eskom, especially from Soweto branches. Their offices there, they are mistreating our people in Soweto. Eskom, if I am smart meters, they are forcing themselves to our communities. They didn't even consult with our communities. Then we did much to Eskom offices, which they failed to respond to our memorandum. So that's why we decided to come here to Mewas Park, because we are totally unhappy with the situation in our townships. Eskom, they are charging people 6,000 for fines, which we are not even sure about their accounts. Where are those monies going to? Because we once came to Mewas Park to ask about those monies, what is happening and stuff. But Mewas Park, they failed to respond to us. They didn't have an answer for that. So we feel they are suppressing our Soweto.
Ababahlali bathi iinkonzo ze-Eskom azikhawulelani neemfuno zabo kwaye ziyabatyabula ezipokothweni bethetha nangotshintsho abalufunayo ukuya phambili.
We don't say we don't want free electricity. As people, there's a notion that we are saying we want to pay a flat rate, whereby during the discussion between NERSA, Eskom and us as Abahlali, we're going to deliberate on the issues of how we're going to pay that flat rate. They can come and we do auditing together. Unlike Kwanamanje, there's a law which is standing, which is PAJA. Eskom is violating that law, whereby there's no procedure and fairness in the procedure by Kwanamanje. So that's where Abahlali City, those who are taking Eskom into their own hands and having corruption activities, those people, they must be taken out of Eskom, whereby people, they must be fair and there must be transparency.
Lamalungu asekuhlaleni aza kubamba intlanganiso ngolwesithathu nomlawuli wezamandla wesizwe woMzantsi Afrika ngethemba lokufumana izisombululo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eSandton.